Hey, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make fresh fish stew. This is very quick and easy. You can serve this with any type of carbohydrate and it can also be eaten alone. The ingredients that I will be using for this video includes red snapper fish, peppers, tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic, oil, Maggi, salt, and Lori seasoning. First, you want to blend all of your peppers, tomatoes, onions, ginger, and garlic. Next, you want to bring out your fish. 2 hours prior, the fish was cleaned and seasoned with salt as well as a herb spice that includes thyme and basil. At this point, your pot should be on the stove. You can go ahead and add your oil. This can be canola oil, corn oil, any oil you prefer. Let it sizzle for about 15 to 20 seconds or warm up for about 15 to 20 seconds. And then you can add your sliced onions. Let that sizzle. Once that sizzles for another 15 seconds, you can then add your peppered mix, your pepper, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic mix. It's important that you add your seasonings at this time into the sauce. You can add your Maggi cubes, Lori seasoning, and let this cook for about 15 minutes. Now you're ready to add the fish. Go ahead and add your fish, whether it's tilapia, red snapper, add it into your sauce and cover the fish evenly with some sauce. So you can use your spoon to just kind of marinate the fish. And let that cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure your light is not too high, maybe medium low, and let that cook. "20 minutes later, looks like our fish stew is ready. This is looking very delicious. This will go very well with some rice and maybe sauteed spinach on the side. I hope this helps someone with creating dinner tonight. Let me know how it goes. Please feel free to add a comment and also make sure you subscribe and like our video. All right, have a good one. Remember, cook with love and everything tastes delicious.